Hi, this is Andy Doctor. Let's say your Whirlpool washer has a problem, like mine has an error code, and you need to fix it, but you have laundry inside, the door is locked. How do you unlock the door? This is how you should do it. I'm going to tell you how to do it, and then I will show you, okay? Because you only have a couple of seconds before it locks again. What you want to do is that you're going to unplug the power, replug the power, and at that time, press power and then start a cycle. But as soon as you get started, it will run through and lock and unlock. And when it's unlocked, turn off the power immediately. So that's how to do it. So let's do it. So I am going to unplug the power. Okay, and now plug in the power. Okay, now we come back here. We hit power. You can see it's still locked, by the way. Okay, you cannot open it. Still locked. Okay, so okay, we start. But be careful. As soon as it unlocks, you want to turn off the power. Okay, that's it. See that? So that's how to do it. If you think this video is helpful for you to fix your problem, please make sure you like and subscribe this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.